This is going to be a 3-minute review of Tenet. Let's fucking get into it. I gotta start by saying the underlying thing is that Nolan's Memento has been such an influence on me that I am still only just kind of figuring it out. I would say he's one of my favourite directors. It's kind of made me biased. I managed to not see the trailer, not look at the movie poster for too long, so I had no preconceived notions of this film before I went in, and I must say that this was probably one of the reasons why, for a lot of it, I was just like, what the fuck is going on? I was trying not to be overhyped for it. It was the first film back, how could I not have been hyped for it? We're gonna start at the end. I really love the ambiguity of Inception. I love films that make you think, but this may have taken it a little bit too far. It's one of those films that you come out with like a whole bunch of questions because it's just thrown a lot of information at you. As you're answering those questions that it's given you, those answers make you question the smaller pieces that you did know, and then you just don't know anything, which is frustrating. You can't really process this fast mumbled dialogue at the speed that it needs you to. So as you're going along with it, you're just like, whatever happened, happened. And don't you dare think of going back and like trying to figure out what happened in that one bit that you didn't quite, because you've missed the next bit. Frustrating. The practical effects. Holy shit, they were magnificent and they were beautiful and they made you feel like you were there. One of the things I must say is that it's a 2.5-hour film, which is a long time, but it did not feel anything like that length. It was packed, it was fast, and it was hectic. And as Jack Howard said in his non-spoilery review, it's like a time-travelling James Bond. And I'm looking forward to the inevitable indie knockoff films that come after this. And I bet they'll pass the Bechdel test? Hey Siri.
How do you pronounce the Bechdel test? Check it out.
And maybe I'll like write something. I've got ideas. The heisty scene? That was beautiful editing. It was so precise and so concise and so succinct and so insert all of the synonyms for fast and efficient. I want to see just that scene again. The shot circling them, you know the one I mean. It was very Inception-y in a very good way. Again, another frustration is, why did we care about the sun? I didn't feel like we empathised towards that struggle in the way that we should have done. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm like running out of time on so many levels here. I really did enjoy the film Tenet, but I was also quite frustrated about it. It definitely does the trick that it intended to, and I want to see it again. These are a few of my scrambled thoughts about the film Tenet. I'll see you in the next video.